Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix OTP verification messages are deleting automatically on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So you can easily fix this OTP verification message automatically deleting problem. So all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down and just tap on passwords. Then verify your Face ID or your passcode to access password settings. Once you are in this page, tap on password options, and here you will find this clean up automatically option. If you see this clean up automatically option is turned on, then whenever you get any OTP verification message in your iPhone, after using the code, the message will be automatically deleted. So to solve this problem, you have to disable this clean up automatically option, and that's it. You successfully solved the problem. Now on, whenever you receive any OTP verification message in your iPhone, those OTP messages won't be deleted from your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.